Hey everyone, Corinne here of Mucking Fusser, showing you my first acrylic pour and acrylic flip cup action. I had so much fun with this. I decided just to do a tutorial for it, so please enjoy. Any questions, let me know. So I'm going to be using primary colors today, all LIQUITEX Basics acrylic colors. The pink is a medium magenta, the yellow is cadmium yellow light hue, and then I have a cobalt blue. I'm also using Artist Loft acrylic flow paint. So the special product that helps get the paint kind of more liquidy is FLOETROL. I put it inside of this, well, it's actually a conditioner bottle, and then I have a strainer on it. I'm actually using the filter of a mask, funny enough. So here's how I cut that. So the reason why I put the strainer on is because the FLOETROL actually has some little bits inside of it, so you don't want to dispense it directly from the bottle. You want to use your own thing. So essentially just start pouring in your FLOETROL. It's about 1/3 of paint and then 2/3 FLOETROL. After you mix your FLOETROL and paint for a good minute or two, you can add a drop of rubbing alcohol, which gets rid of all the bubbles inside of the paint because you don't want any little air pockets. No, no, no. Last thing to add to the mixture is going to be a mix of FLOETROL and water. Just put it in any kind of container there. It's about 10% FLOETROL and 90% water. You can add about a tablespoon onto the mixture, mix it, and you want to get like a honey-like consistency. Honey. After you get the consistency that you like, go ahead and do the same process with the other colors. The white paint that you use, you're going to be using probably maybe like 3 times as much because you're going to be using it as a base and also in between each color when you pour them into the cup. Lastly, to create the cells in the paint, you will need some silicone oil. So just drop a couple drops into each one of the colors of paint, not the white, no silicone in the white. This, you don't want to mix it too much because if you do, it's going to get a little muddy. So after you drop it, just mix it a few times. Grab your 3-ounce cup and pour your white first, and then I poured pink and yellow and blue. And in between each of the colors, make sure you're pouring your white. This is going to help so that the colors don't mix too much. Today I'm using a 12 by 8 canvas, and I just put it on top of more cups, covered up with the base coat of white. And then I used a larger spatula to flip the cup onto and then slide it onto the canvas. I also put a little bit more white onto the canvas, which helps the paint flow onto it. Wait for a little while to let the paint fall off of the cup and then pull your cup up. Ooh, pretty cells. Also wait for a few seconds to let the paint kind of move around the canvas and then just kind of have fun with it. Of course, make sure you have your table covered with plastic. I'm just using a trash bag here. This was my very first acrylic flip cup or acrylic pour art of any kind, and I'm pretty happy with the outcome. So here's a few more that I did with the same color combo.